We are really dressed up today. Dressed up in a Via Ferrata.
Just a test drive, warming up. I heard it's a simple one.
Yep. So a simple Via Ferrata and hiking. Weather has been very nice today, so perfect for Via Ferrata. This trail is called Cascate di Fanes Via Ferrata, and it's around 3 hours. We have to climb through the waterfall, the Fanes Valley. Let's go. We're now joining the main path, which is number 10. And from the main path, we will go to the Vale of Fanes. The initial walk on the main trail is pretty nice, especially when the weather is very nice, because there are lots of flowers around here. Small little flowers. After around 45 minutes of hiking, ascending to around 300 meters, we reach this point called Ponte Outo. This is where our Via Ferrata will begin. I think the Via Ferrata is down there. Very nice spot for us to prepare our Via Ferrata kit. It's nice here. Wow, I can hear the Cascade di Fanes. I think our path is down there. These are the rocks of the Dolomites.
You will see our video in your channel.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
We are now going on the Via Ferrata trail, going to the side of it. He is ready and he's going down. Obviously helmet is necessary, but in the beginning it's quite easy, so we did not put helmet yet. This is the Via Ferrata Cascate di Fanes, and as you can see behind me, this is the waterfalls down here, and we are going to go through down there, go a big round, and then climb. I think we are going to climb up again and go to the upper level to another waterfall. This challenging part where you have to climb a little bit in order to get down using two harness, because it's not really that dangerous. If it's really dangerous, then two harness is a must.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Very easy.
Wow, very easy. Wow, is it behind a little kid? I think it's only, I don't know, 6 years old. Nice. Some coordination of hand strength. And not afraid of height is necessary for Via Ferrata, even though this is the beginner's level. After the steep part of the Via Ferrata, we suddenly saw this amazing waterfall.
Wow.
Really don't know what the waterfall calls, but the water and the power of the fall is really amazing, really powerful, because I can feel the water smashing onto the rocks. It's a beautiful sight. waterfall is really powerful. It's not very high, but you can feel the powerful roar. Now we are going out to the side of the Via Ferrata. I think we are going up there. Woo! I can feel the spray of the water on my face. How powerful the water is. We are underneath a very huge waterfall and it's so cold. All the water is coming in. Woo! Wow, the water. I'm gonna get wet. We have just completed the Via Ferrata Giovanni Barbara. Very exciting Via Ferrata, especially with the waterfall, the full power. It's very different.
A bit slippery, so I have to be careful. But with the harness, I think I feel safe.
Yeah, it's as long as you do not what I call that fear of heights. This Via Ferrata is okay. It's for beginners.